Did you know that the laws in your investment market can make or break your profitability as a landlord? Investing in the right market can be the difference between a smooth cash flowing investment and a nightmare of tenant issues. In this video, I'm going to walk you guys through how to identify pro-landlord markets and explain why understanding local landlord-tenant laws is crucial to your success as a multifamily operator. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Macaluso. I am the Multifamily Renegade, and if you're watching for the first time today, the goal of this YouTube channel is to help you guys win when it comes to your multifamily success journey through my experience as a multifamily investor myself, as well as my many decade plus years of being a broker specializing in multifamily investment sales. Today, we will discuss how landlord-tenant laws can impact your profitability and why you should always invest in landlord-friendly markets to ensure long-term success. Many investors overlook local regulations when buying multifamily properties. By choosing a market without considering landlord-tenant laws, this can lead to problems and likely lengthy eviction processes, rent control, and limitations around how you can actually operate your property, which can possibly become burdensome regarding regulations that will eat away all of your profits. Understanding these laws is not just about legal compliance. It is about choosing markets where you can efficiently manage your property, retain control, and maximize your returns. All right, guys, now I'm going to give you some steps to invest in pro-landlord markets. Number one thing you got to do is research local landlord and tenant laws. And you want to look for states or local municipalities that favor landlords. Focus on areas with clear eviction processes, minimal to no rent control, preferably no rent control if you can avoid it altogether, and laws that allow efficient property management. Let's talk a little bit about understanding the eviction process. Look, a landlord-friendly area will have a straightforward eviction process. This is crucial for protecting your investment and ensuring you can regain control of your property quickly when needed in the event that you find yourself in a situation where you have to evict a tenant. Now, avoiding rent control areas altogether is primarily what I do. I don't want to invest in any area that has rent control or any state that has rent control. So if you can avoid this, by all means do so. Rent control limits your ability to raise rents in line with the market, impacting cash flow and your return on investment. Again, if you guys can avoid this, seek markets that do not have rent control at all or very lenient rent control policies. Now, moving on, let's talk a little bit about assessing tenant rights and notice requirements. In pro-landlord markets, notice requirements are reasonable, allowing you to act swiftly. Ensure you understand how tenant rights affect your ability to manage the property so you can always ensure success over your management in day-to-day operations. Now, if you guys are unclear on how to gain a knowledge or understanding of these different laws or local regulations, leverage market data and local experts. You want to leverage market data and speak with local professionals for insights into market trends, vacancy rates, and legislation changes that may be on the horizon. Local experts can guide you with your investment decision-making process, and you always want to make sure that you have a team in place so you have boots on the ground. Remember, you always want to invest in pro-landlord markets, which give you the upper hand. It allows you to protect your investment, maintain better control, and secure higher profitability. For example, like I mentioned earlier, I always invest in a pro-landlord market with streamlined eviction processes and flexible rent increases. Whenever you guys do this, it's going to give you, just like it gave me, the confidence to maximize cash flow. To wrap up, always research your local investment market to understand tenant-landlord laws. You want to understand the eviction process from start to finish, and if by all means, avoid rent control areas. You also want to get a full understanding of tenant rights and also leverage any local experts that you possibly can. And this means brokers, property managers, and other investors who are experienced in the desired market that you want to invest in. This will ensure you invest in markets with control and profitability potential. Have you had experiences in pro-tenant or pro-landlord markets? If you have, share your story in the comments below, and please like and share this video if you thought it was helpful. Now, that's going to do it for today's video, guys. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so. I try to drop 2 videos per week of content just like this to try to help you guys out in your multifamily investment journey. So again, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you click that button below to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I try to drop 2 videos per week so you're always updated if you hit that subscribe button and make that notification bell ring. Thanks again for watching. Hope you found this interesting and helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.